What do you think, Leah? Is that a big truck? Big trailer? Come on, get out of the way, girls. Come on.
They're going to build a house.
Bring those 2x4s.
Okay. You know what we're going to have to do is
There. I want to go over there.
right there.
It's going to end up in the center.
Okay. Okay, you got it going a little more so I can here.
Hey, snug fit, huh?
Okay, let me get my hands out.
Having fun already.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Designed and more perfect. Leave, are you going to keep it clean with your broom?
did.
Is that what you just sleep with? You have to have a house clean now. Is that right?
Be able to have that clearance.
Place?
Dinner place.
Dinner place? That was my big concern. If I had something stuck behind me, and I'm like,
Leah, open the door when I ding down your ball. I told gingerbread did he eat? Yeah. I got a lot of food. I got a lot of food.